Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact account that held the deleted contacts, because restorations are account scoped. Once signed in, open the Contacts app or the web interface and navigate to the bin or trash. This is where recently deleted items live. While you're here, pause automatic sync and export your current contacts as a CSV or VCF. This preserves a snapshot. Doing that prevents accidental overwrites and ensures you can safely restore items from the bin without risking current data. Now you perform the actual recovery. In the bin, select single contacts to preview details or use bulk select to restore a group. On web interfaces like Google Contacts, bulk actions are faster. Select, click Restore, and confirm. The system moves items back to your main list. Once restored, re-enable sync so devices update. Make sure to inspect entries for missing fields, because deleted items sometimes lose labels. If you find duplicates, use merge tools to clean them up. Finish by verifying that restored contacts appear across all linked devices, phone, tablet, desktop, and export a fresh backup to lock the state in. If some contacts didn't return, check other linked accounts, device local contact storage, or the account's restore history for a previous snapshot you can revert to. If nothing shows, consider cautious use of reputable recovery tools or contact support. And as a key troubleshooting tip, always check that you're signed into the correct account before attempting any further restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.